Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be cleaning the back seats. My little dogs there like to drool and make a mess in the back seat. So today we're going to be using two products in a combination here. They're both Ultima products. One is the interior shampoo gel. I really like this stuff. We're just going to use this real quick. Go ahead and wipe down the seats. Get them nice and clean because what I really want to apply is the Ultima Interior Guard Plus. And actually, if you just use this product, it cleans and it leaves a barrier of protection behind, kind of protection from bacteria, it says. But I want to take it a step further, and this lasts months. I want a protection for the seats so that, protects against stains and stuff like that, since these guys are always running in the dirt and getting it all over my leather seats. And this works on vinyl, plastics, leather, even says like cloth, wood trim. It works on a lot of fabrics basically inside the car. So let's get going there. I'll show you the steps. We're going to vacuum, clean, and then we'll seal. Guys, if you want products like this from Ultima, you can go over to autoforge.net. They carry Ultima products. Ultima products are fantastic. They have a whole line of Ultima's products, and you can get them over at autoforge.net. Okay guys, so here's my car. You can see the spots all the way down, just for my dogs. So I'll tell you what, let's do half of it and let's see how it goes. I'll take a picture. All right, so first things first, let's use the interior shampoo gel. Now you can use a brush with this. You can just use a towel if you want. Shake it up. I'm gonna go ahead and get this towel a little saturated. We're gonna give it some sprays here. And I'm just gonna do a quick wipe. I've got this wet, I've got it sprayed here. So we're just gonna wipe it down. Now, if your car is really dirty, you may need to agitate and really get inside there. All right, so just after wiping it down, that is a huge difference. Take a look at that. You can see the side over there. Very dirty still on that end. But where I could reach up to, look at it's brand new, looking good, nice and clean. It feels good. Let's coat this. All right, so just to let you know, this is a kit that I bought. It comes with this applicator, the bottle. I think it comes with the towel too. Don't quote me on that, but I'm not sure if I put the towel away already. Anyway, all right, let's go ahead. We shook this up here. Let's give it some sprays. Interesting. All right, that's what it looks like there. Let's start right here. Look at that. Now this stuff does smell like some kind of solvent, definitely. I'm going to give it a nice wipe all the way to about there. Try to get it as even as possible in the cracks, guys. Get the front over here where your feet hang over. All right, I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna give it 3 to 5 minutes to set up there. We'll be back. Okay, as you can see, the towel is dirty here from the seats. You know what, I'm gonna do this door panel. Let me spray this towel with some cleaner. Oops, that looks dirty to me. Got some kind of grass on there. Let's spray this. And you can do fabric too. All right. So spray this. Let's get all this nice and clean. Nice. Let's let it dry for a second and we'll apply the protection. Okay, let's get some sprays on there. You might want to use gloves. This is kind of a solvent, I'd say you probably do. And you don't really want this on your glass. It goes on nice though. Guys, I'm doing this with one hand, no problem. Goes on a little thick at the beginning, so make sure you go back over that beginning spot, even it out. I'll even put it on the Alcantara here. Give it a few minutes, let's let it sit and we'll buff off anything that we need to. Okay, so far pretty easy. Let me get another towel. And after 3 to 5 minutes, it says, just go ahead and buff it off. So let's do that. All right, let's look inside here. It's pretty much almost drying up on its own, but I'm gonna use this towel and get in there and help it even out any high spots. And we'll see how that ends up looking. There we go, a little bit better view for you guys. I mean, that looks pretty good, nice and even. Let's get this done here. Make sure I get it off the glass, the tint especially. I'm just gonna wipe everything down. Yeah, it looks great. Nice clean finish. Brand new. It just made it look all new again, fresh. Let's take a look from this angle. Looking good. This seat is not done yet. You can see all the little stuff here. But this looks good over here. Very nice. All right, guys, it's 74 degrees today. Basically the real first not cold day I've had in a while. So I'm out here doing the interior cleaning up. I'm actually breaking a sweat. But let me show you. So I got all the back seats done. The dashboard, armrest, the seats, I got both sides done. Pretty easy product to use. I like it. So like I said, very, very easy, fast applications. Just clean first, apply evenly, wait 3 to 5 minutes and buff off. It's 74 degrees in here. I don't know what this would be like in 90-degree heat. I would try not to do it in a really hot car. You probably don't want to use this in a hot car. Do it in the garage, do it early in the morning. Smells like solvent, and the bottle kind of leaks a little as you're using it. And it's a slippery formula, so you will need a towel to dry this off as you're using it. Other than that, no gripes about it. It looks fantastic. Very easy to use, guys. All right, guys, I'm driving my car. It's been about 25 minutes. I've let everything dry. I mean, everything looks good. It feels good. Wow, very impressive when you give it a little bit of time to sit there and dry and cure up. Just feels good. Everything looks fantastic, guys. Very pleased. And the seats, they have this soft, supple feel. I don't have real leather. I have like that vegan Tesla leather. They has this good feel on it now. The door panels, they feel good. I'm not gonna say they feel cashmere-y, but they feel nice. So the product, it does something to the feel, and it feels really, really good. All right, guys, so that's pretty easy. We got a few months protection coming up for us now. All we had to do was vacuum the seats. We got our interior gel shampoo from Ultima. Very easy to use. You can do it like I did with the towel. If you got a little bit more dirt spotting, go ahead and get a applicator, Scrub Ninja, some brushes, whatever you need to do, and you can make this stuff foam up too. Clean it, wipe it off. Get your Ultima Interior Guard Plus. Very easy. Get the kit. It comes with the little sponge, or use your own sponge. That's fine. Spray it on the sponge, wipe it in, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Wipe it in evenly. You're going to see how this goes on. Just make sure you even out that initial application. Let it sit there. After 3 to 5 minutes, buff it off. No problem. Very easy. I'm going to finish the rest of the car, but really, really easy process, and we get months out of this now. So super cool. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried this product here? Have you tried the gel shampoo? Have you tried any Ultima products? Where have you guys been living? Don't forget, Ultima makes that waterless wash plus too. That's amazing. Let me know. You guys can buy these at autoforge.net. Check them out over there. And everything else they got. Talk to you later.